So it looks like we just survived an apocalypse of rain. Because it basically did. That tree, can you see that? That is hanging. That tree is hanging. Pretty crazy. This is my pull-up bar, soaking wet. Electrical tape is still keeping it intact. I just hung on it with one hand, so to test. But yeah, so I don't know. Look at that. You see that? My phone's getting wet, but that's fine. The swing is moving. Why is the swing moving? Let's stop it. Stop moving. I might actually go down by the creek. Hold on, let's zoom in. It's a lot darker than it appears on my phone. My phone is making this way... Oh my god, it's raining in the creek. You see those drops falling in the creek? Yeah. I think people are getting pelted by rain as we speak. Wet rocks. This is the table I sit down on sometimes. Sit down, you know, this is like a kennel for something. This right here, this tree, is the tree I climb. It's pretty fun to climb. I think wasn't the best idea to come out here, but whatever. Also, there's a 3-minute length, and the video's about to end. It's not by my control. I would have to make it an actual video instead of a short.